Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair curling tutorial, and I'm also making this like a review on the product that I'm going to be using. That way, if anyone out there has seen or heard about this kind of curling iron, and maybe you're searching for some reviews, you come across this one, and you'll get a little bit of information about it. Okay, so today I'm going to be curling my hair with the Lena GenieCurl. It's an auto curling iron. It came in this box, which is super cute, baby pink with gold accents. And I'm gonna throw in a little clip right here of just showing you it in the box whenever I first got it, because it's obviously not in the box because I have been using it. So the curler comes with a little booklet here that has some instructions and some information, and it also came with this little hair sectioning card, which is really good to have, but I've been using it long enough that I kind of know what I'm doing now, I guess. But if you just got this iron and maybe you're confused about how much hair to put in, you can use this card to help you. Like so. It's called a hair sectioning card, and it says, not sure how much hair to style for a section. This sectioning card is tailored to help you decide the suitable volume of hair section when you style. The maximum hair you can insert into the hole of the card is the recommendation. So you can just put your hair in there to know exactly how much you should be putting in this iron. So I'm not gonna lie, when I first got this, I was a little bit scared. I was like, I've never used something like this before. I don't know how to use it. I was scared, honestly. But after I tried it, I was instantly in love, and I've been using it ever since. It's like the greatest hair curler ever. So this is what it looks like. It has a 360 swivel cord. It has the on and off button, and it has temperature controls here, and there is 4 different temperatures. It goes from 302 to 338, 374, and 410. So this is what it looks like. It also has these right here, left and right. So it's gonna curl your hair right or left, depending on which button you're choosing at the time, which I'm gonna show you in a second. So this also has an auto shut off, which is always good for me because I'm the type to forget to unplug the curling iron when I leave the house. This comes in black and rose gold, and I got the rose gold. So this iron has a double layer heat protector. That way you won't burn your hands or your fingers or your face when you're getting close to your face, as you can see. And it is warm, but it's not gonna burn you. So the first thing I'm going to do is just comb my hair out. You want to make sure that your hair is completely dry and obviously combed out, because why would you want to curl your hair if you got knots going on? Take my little scrunchie here, and I'm going to pull up half of my hair. So this is one of the easiest curling irons I've ever used in my life. When I first got it, I didn't know if I was going to be able to figure it out. After trying it for the first time, I was like, instantly knew how to do it, and I was hooked, and I'm just obsessed with it right now. It creates really good curls, and I love that it's effortless. So, you know, with a curling iron, you got a clampless one, you gotta roll it up, you gotta hold it, you gotta do this and that. One with a clamp, you gotta do this and that. This one, you do nothing, okay? You personally do nothing because the curling iron does it all. So, I'm gonna give you a little example here. Like I said, you can use the card to determine how much hair to put in there. By the way, if you put too much hair in the iron, it will automatically just stop and your hair won't get caught. And that was one of the things I was worried about because I do have long hair. I was scared my hair was gonna get stuck in this thing, but it doesn't, and it hasn't. So you can see it's going left and right depending on which button I'm pushing. This is literally all you do. Are you ready? So I'm standing facing you, right? I just set the hair there and I push the button. You hold it. And then you're done. I actually held it on a little longer than I have been. But watch. Set it there and I push a button. It takes my hair, twists it up in there, let go of the button, and release the hair. How easy is that? Also, I'm not even doing this in the mirror right now. I'm looking at my little viewfinder. I'm looking at my iron to know where to set my hair. And then that's it. It is so simple. It is less time consuming. Like, I do my hair so fast now. Well, whenever I'm curling it anyway. It takes no time at all. And the curls are beautiful. Not only are they beautiful, they last. So there's the little curls on this side. So now I'm going to do the other side of my hair. So you're actually supposed to hold the button until it beeps, and then that's when you know that your curl is done, like that. But I don't even hold it on that long. I just kind of release the button when I feel like I'm done. You can do it either way, it's up to you. I guess it all depends on your hair, honestly. See, like, I can just let it go, or I can wait till it beeps, and then I'll know it's done. So I love that you can just, with the push of a button, go either direction with your hair, because if you're anything like me, I don't like my curls going all in one direction. I'm gonna go either this way or that way. So I like that I can just push it and choose, and I don't have to like put all this effort in. Okay, so I would be done a lot faster if I wasn't taking my time and chatting right now with you. But I'm already done with that bottom part of my hair. I know I don't have a lot of hair, but I have a lot of length to my hair. All right. So set it in, push a button, and go. So I'm done with the bottom part of my hair now, and all I have to do is the back and the front, and mainly the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do the back really quick. You can obviously pull it from like behind if you wanted to, but it's just easier for me to go in the front like this. And then I just flop it backwards, so that's how I do the back. This curling iron also makes your hair super shiny. So your curls look shiny and beautiful. And then lastly, all we have to do is the front here. And I'm done with my entire head. So, okay, so now that my hair is curled, I'm gonna go ahead and do my front little pieces, which I've been doing because they're just kind of like sitting there like that. I don't really like that. So now I'm gonna take my little tease and comb here. Y'all know I don't like flat hair to my head. So I'm just gonna tease a little bit. Okay. Okay, so this is my hair from behind. And this is my hair completely done. Wasn't that like the easiest? Like, it's so effortless. You literally just set your hair on the thing and it curls it for you. I think it's absolutely amazing. I absolutely love it. And yeah, I'm like obsessed with this curling iron right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put links down below to this curling iron if you wanna check it out. It is the Lena GenieCurl and it is amazing. It is absolutely amazing. So fast. I'm like done, ready to go. And if you want, you can shake it out a little bit, just to give like that messy kind of natural look. So yeah, like I said, it comes with instructions. It comes with the little measuring card, so you'll know how much hair to put in there and all that fun stuff. But this thing is amazing, y'all. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video watching me curl my hair. If you were searching for more information on this curling iron, I hope you found all that you wanted to know within this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. This is the GenieCurl and it's amazing. Okay, anyways, leave me some comments down below, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.